Hey, superstars, it's Mr. Jackson. I'm at home actually making this video. And I wanted to make a video for you guys who are out absent, and for those of you who just wanted an update on how to do the homework project, and a video also that you could probably share with your parents. Okay? I'm going to jump right into it because I don't want to be long with the video. I'm gonna minimize me. You'll see me in the corner. I think you'll still see me in the corner. And I'm going to maximize what you should be able. I hope that you can see the screen. But as you can see, your homework, let me tell you how to get to it first. All right, you want to go to your class. All right, go to your class. I'm going to do block A12. All right, and then you click on your block, whatever block that is. Go to Native American and go down to where it says homework. And then your homework right there should be there. The assignment, you click on it, and when you click on it, this is going to pop up. Now, just so you know, this assignment is due 11/14 and 11/15. Okay. All right. So you're going to open it up, and you're going to create a homework project. All right. It should. Let me actually minimize the screen so you guys can see it. All right. There, you're going to create a project. You're like, well, what's the objective here? Okay, you're going to identify a capital resource of one of the 5 tribes that we have studied in class. You will create an artifact for display that represents a resource for that tribe of your choice, and one that they have used. As you are making your artifact, consider why and how your tribe would have used this resource. Why was this resource important to your tribe? The driving question that I want you to answer when you're creating your project: how does the artifact meet the needs of your tribe? You're like, Mr. Jackson, what are you talking about? All right, let me break all this down. You see these 5 tribes: Inuit, Kwakiutl, Lakota, Pueblo, Iroquois. We've studied all of those. By the way, if you were absent when we studied those, let me go to my drive real quick. Let me see if I can. Hold on, this is my drive. This is not your drive. You want to go to, where's my history manual? Mr. Jackson, where's your history manual? Oh, there it is, way down there. Okay. You want to go to your history manual. Your history manual is inside of your digital. You know what a digital history manual? I know what I'm talking about. If you were absent when I was teaching on one of the 5 tribes, go to Native American and click on Digital Interactive History Manual. Okay. Now, when you click on Digital Interactive History Manual, here are all the tribes that we studied. If you weren't there when I studied, you got Inuit, Kwakiutl, Pueblo, Iroquois. Those are the 5, Kwakiutl, Lakota. All of the tribes are right there. You can read about them and study about them if you happen to miss class. And unfortunately, you didn't get any of the notes. I mean, you didn't get anything from the class. Okay, those are the things that we study. Okay, yeah, Mr. Jackson, what does that got to do with the homework assignment, though? All right, you want to pick one of those 5. All right, we're gonna skip this part. We'll come back to that last. Explaining your own words, how does your artifact meet the needs of your tribe? You want to write 5 to 7 sentences and then provide 2 interesting facts that will talk about your tribe, all right, and how your artifact was made. And you're talking about, what do you mean explain in your own words 5 to 7 sentences how your tribe? All right, let's go down here. Let's say you are going to build I don't know if y'all can see this. This is an Inuit, no, that's a Iroquois longhouse, not log house, longhouse. What I would do if I were you, you want to tell me, how does that capital resource help build how did they use that to help them out? All right, that capital resource helped them out. That is something that they would have used to help define who they are. I mean, not define who they are. They help use to, like, it provided for them some level of shelter, a protection from the outside elements. All right. And then you have over here like the mask. That's a capital resource. They use the ceremonial mask as a way to, it was a capital resource that they used for decoration and also to portray different tribal denote a different level of social classes within a tribe. All of these are capital resources. So you want to put it, now you're like, well, how do you know all this, Mr. Jackson? Are you just really smart? No, I'm not. I just do my research. You want to go in and do your research. Then you're like, well, where can I do my research? I have included these sites here that you can go and do your research. However, somebody asked me, can I go out on the internet and get something? You know, Mr. Jackson is very, 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 very leery when you guys go out there and just pull stuff off the internet. You need to email me the website and let me make a determination if that website will be approved. But in the event that, and then Wikipedia, you know, will never suffice in my classroom. But if you find a web page, email me and I will let you know if I'll let you do it. But a good place to start is Encyclopedia Britannica, Duckster, Kittle. All of these are PebbleGo Next, World Bank Online. All these are good search places to search for your item. Now you're like, well, what are we actually making? All right, you go right here to you, click here. All right, when you click on, look at, you're going to be making these different artifacts. All right, now you're like, well, how do I know what to make? Well, you can just do like, I went in and I made some samples myself from previous years. This kid here made a long house. These are all Iroquois longhouses. That kid made a bow and arrow. That kid made a hatchet out of cardboard. This one here made a nice little scene. Quack-Udall mask, totem pole. This student here did a TP, sled, on and so forth and so forth. Go on jewelry. Now, you cannot go and just buy stuff out of the store. You have to make it yourself. All right? Let me say it again. You have to make it yourself. You cannot just go into to Walmart or Target or even Amazon and just purchase things and then say, okay, Mr. Jackson, this like is a piece of wood that a young girl made her totem pole out. You have to make it yourself. You're like, well, how do I make it myself? Well, you will have to go and, now one cool thing about this project is you can get a lot of supplies right at home. You don't have to really go out and buy anything. But if you do, because like, look at, you got Target, Michael's, Home Good, Walmart, Amazon, Joann's, Dollar Tree. You even have Home Depot, Lowe's. Your backyard would be one. You can go and get these products at the dollar store, Dollar Tree. All of these different products that you can to build your artifact. Now, if you're having trouble trying to figure out what you want, look here. You got a fishnet, harpoon, which by the way you have to talk to me about, clothing, hunting visor, TP, clothing. And if you want to know how to make your project, it's simple. Go out on Google, go to YouTube, go to Pinterest. There's so many different examples out there that shows you how to do these things. All right, how to make a Kachina doll, how to make Native American clothing. Once again, you can't buy anything; it must be made. All right. Now, all right. So when you're done with that, okay. Now this bottom part right here, I will work with you in class, a portion of it. For B-Day students, this is going to be due Wednesday. For A-Day students, it'll do Thursday. Let's see what that's going to fall on. For the A-Day students, it will be due. Actually, A-Day is going to be due. I see y'all tomorrow. A-Day, B-Day, A-Day, B-Day. A-Day is going to be due 11, and B-Day is going to be due. Oh, is tomorrow A-Day or B-Day? Oh, tomorrow's A-Day. A-Day, B-Day, A-Day. Okay, well, whatever the case may be, it'll be due through Thursday and Friday. Thursday and Friday, but I'm gonna work with you in class on that. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you. You have plenty of examples to look at. You need to let me know which project you're going to do. You can't just randomly pick one. You have to, I mean, you can, but you cannot just say that and not let me know what you're going to do. No weapons can be brought in. Your parents have to bring your weapons in. And it is due on November the 14th and the 15th. Okay, depending on which day I see you. All right, email me if you have any questions. All right, take care. Hey, superstars, I just want to make sure that you understand. I forgot to tell you this last part. When you're done with your project, make sure that you place inside of here a picture of your completed project. Now, this is not some random picture you got off the internet. It is actual of you. You're going to take it. If you have an iPhone or even Android, you can take a picture of it and insert that picture right here. That way, it doesn't get damaged. If it is damaged, unfortunately, in travel, you have a picture of it. Also, if I need to grade it, I can see what you actually done. Okay. Also, I noticed I checked out on the video. I just want to make sure for those of you that are absent, I said earlier, you can go to your Native American, let me make sure you guys can see this. You can go to your Native American notes. All right, let me see. I don't know if this shows in your, does that show for you? I hope that shows for you guys. That right there, that's your Native American notes. You can use that to, you can use these to study. Oh, snap. Oh, hold on a second. You can use these to study with. Okay? All right? I hope that helps you answer any questions. All right. Thank you.